Hello. Alright, we're finally going to finish these examples for the engine today. So we've got basically all these working. Going to do the client and the server today for a very simple chat. These ones I'm not going to do yet. I might end up deleting those. We ended up fixing up these. Might do webcam, might do Z-Class, we'll see. One thing I do want to do today is a GUI example though. Anyways, let's get into the client example, or actually the client server example, because they go together. Alright, here we go. So right now these are undocumented. I also think the code is a bit hard to understand, and it has huge issues where it doesn't send messages until both sides send messages, so we're going to fix that up and make it simpler. I think I'm probably going to rewrite most of it. Hey said who? Just writing a client server example. Or rewriting it, because I already have the simple, anything new? Nope. I'm gonna do stuff, hopefully new stuff tomorrow or tonight. I'm not sure which I'm gonna do first. I'm probably gonna do this procedural mesh that generates a 3D mesh from a distance function, because I want to use that to test a whole bunch of other rendering stuff like the lighting. So I might do that, and then after that, once I'm sure that 3D rendering is all working absolutely clean, then I'm going to try and do 3D mesh animation, importing 3D mesh animations from FBX files or something like that. Yeah, you know what? This isn't going to be any simpler. Unless I did like... Yeah, you know what? The simplest thing would actually be if I don't even change... If I just do a static port. A static, you know what? Also, I should be writing the server first. Because, mess this up. I should be writing the server first, because anything the client does is going to be based off that. I guess I should explain what these are. Oh man. A scallywag. It's afternoon here. I don't know how to explain this. The main thing is that this has null host name equals any, which is for server hosting. Just getting out of bed and starting work. I'll address for host. That's the most concise way of explaining it. Alright. Create server socket. Socket to host. We can delete don't need host, don't need inet press object anymore. Alright, listen for one incoming connection. Server is online and waiting for a connection. Connecting. People will be able to figure that out actually. Okay, I should actually do this in a while loop. It's like how there's while true here. Wait, this client address is C string? Length was inet address string length. Length equals string length. Okay, so it is. So there's a C string inside there. Wait. Maybe. Anything new? Nope. I might work on animation tomorrow or tonight, depending on how far I get ahead with these. I'm just looking at this. Doing this in a list isn't actually the best kind of animation. Yeah, skeletal mesh animation. I have a broken system right now. Doesn't work. I'll comment it out. You see here it's got position keys, scale keys, rotation keys, interpolates between them, do the animation, that sort of thing. One thing I've been thinking of doing though is like, I used to do this, is each day I would do like an hour of shader programming and make like an effect, like an animation or an image or art piece or something. Thinking of doing that again. I was watching Bob Ross, which is Joy of Painting, and it made me think of doing something like Joy of Shading. I'm just looking here. Can I delete this? I think I can now that this all... Yeah. Okay, and yeah, this, since we know it's going to be inet address string length, we can actually do this and socket, or wait. End socket address. Address string length? I don't know. Do something like that. You could be in the art art category, no problem. Yeah. Maybe. I would maybe want to be in the science and technology category because no one else is really doing that kind of like colorful stuff. Code is always crazy. Yeah, I don't know. That's a good thing though. You have some demo scene people for at least time. My favorite demo scene person is Nuson, and he streamed on YouTube. I don't know if he streams on Twitch right now. I don't need to define something else. I can just say to use this. Evil, yeah. I think they're on like a team or something. Alright, so then if client address does not equal null, Then I can just write this into the client address. Dude, I wonder if this is gonna leak my IP. Oh man, that would be... I gotta make sure that this is off. Or I turn my screen off when I do this. If it outputs received connection from just leaks my IP. That would not be good. I like IQ stuff too. The Barista Rat is probably the most helpful person. Or like man, if you do something wrong, Fabrice will point it out, and that's what you need to learn from. So it's great for me, at least. Alright, now this is going to be the main loop. Fabrice makes multiple shaders a day. And they're not bad. No, they're like actual scientific math work. Scientific math work. That's how you sound smart. Bytes between server and client. Does try to solve problems or figure out a way to do things. Yep. Oh man, wait. This is why I needed to, I need a way of doing non-blocking fget-s. I swear to God there's a non-blocking. Oh no, do you really need to use select and pull? I swear there's an easy way. Why do we type return 0? Because the function returns an integer. C non-blocking read stdin. I swear there's an easy way to do this. You don't really... Okay, yeah, create another thread. So I think we're going to create another thread just to read console input. Zero's exit success. Yeah, so if it's in your main function here, return 0 means success. From my experience though, even if a program fails, it'll still return 0, like no one really uses them. Alright. Oh, I don't know if you know what? This is good. This will teach people about threading too. You know what? Let's make this as simple as absolute possible. We're not even going to read input, so we don't have to create any threads. We're just going to send between... What's up with this? Don't need to type return 0. No, you need to type return 0. Or other people will get mad at you because they'll think your program's failing. When really it's just you saying it's failing, which like you shouldn't even trust anyways. That's the whole joke of it. Send C string over to client. Message equals, hello, I am a server. I am a I'm a mighty server. Mighty server. Client's gonna say some shit like I'm a humble client. So then it's just end socket right. So this is the hard part. You actually also need to send the size of the message. I feel like there's still a cleaner way to do this. I guess not. Go work out. I'll wake up because I can't think of it right now. I even just go for a walk. I don't even need to work out. Client. I'm going to end up explaining these things twice. The length is a uint32. Message bytes. Read message back from the client. Now, use the length to read. Nice C tutorials on your site. Did you post the videos? It's just one video, or two videos that just show you how to set up Visual C++, Visual Studio. There's no videos for the other tutorials because it would literally just be repeating what's in the written. So back message. Oh yeah, we gotta create a buffer. How big the message is, we can allocate memory for it and read it. Display message from client. C tutorials, very simple ones. We are done. Disconnect from client. There we go. Message from client. There we go. We're done. Disconnect from client. And I'm not even going to do that in a while loop. Oh, hold on. Someone is at my house. I will be right back. All right. Now we need to do the exact same thing for the client, which we should just be able to actually copy most of this. Hold on. Connect to should actually also make sure I'm doing proper error handling here. Fails to listen, or fails to accept. That does not turn any error handling. Okay. Local server on port. I think maybe I could turn the music up a little bit. Alright, let's see if this compiles. Unresolved external symbol alloca. Oh, I forgot. I gotta include MSVC defines. Let's try it out. I don't think this is going to be my IP address, but I'm going to hide it just in case. No, it didn't leak, but it didn't work. It actually crashed. Okay, this is why I test this. So, second. See here, receive connection from localhost. Connect it to server, but it fails. Fails right after it connects. Oh, that's butchered. See right here, it doesn't have the proper formatting for that. Connect to the server, server message. Hello, I'm a mighty server. Client message, I'm but a humble client. There we go. Boom. Simple client server example. I am very happy with that. I think I might do a GUI example now. Oh man, this is old. This had Linux builds on it. Oh yeah, and there's something else I wanted to test while I'm looking at this. So if this is 41 kilobytes,
left ear, right ear.
how much compression does it get by doing .ogg compression? Because I'm trying to wonder if it's worth adding 25. Oh my god, so if it's worth adding a Vorbis lib support to the engine, I'm thinking it is. I'm thinking I should definitely do that instead of WAV, W-A-V. Let me see how the compression gives on a lower scale. Still 25. The quality didn't change anything. Or wait, did it crash? It did crash. Oh god, I think it's writing a giant amount to the hard drive. Fuck. Wait, what did it do? Why is it listing it as music now? Not giving me the file info. Jesus Christ, I hate Windows sometimes. Look at this shit. It all of a sudden just changed from the file date and megabytes to the music info here. How do you go back from the music to the normal? That gives me the size. How do I get this to go back? Oh god, Windows 10 is fucking garbage. How do you get it to go back to the, oh my... Let me see. Let me guess. If I move the audio files out... Oh my god, even if the audio files are out, it's still registering it as... It's still showing contributing artists and shit like there's audio files here. What even is this operating system? Like, holy fuck. I don't know what else to do here. It doesn't even have options for this shit. Oh my god. Not using Linux in 2020, holy shit. I should go and install Linux. Huh. Do I want to make a Linux partition? Can you imagine if Windows was actually a working operating system? Oh my god. Or hide music tools. I'm a musician and music work tools stopped my workflow in its track. Jesus Christ, choose properties, select customize tab. Right click the folder, use properties, select customize. Optimize this folder for music. What the fuck, Windows? Holy shit, don't optimize things unless I tell you to. How the fuck does that even happen? Oh my god. That's so fucking garbage. What a joke of an operating system. Windows 10 is an absolute joke. There we go. That's going to be our audio. Windows 10 is an absolute joke. There we go. That's our audio that we're testing. Let's see how big of a file this is. 33 kilobytes as an OGG file. Then we'll do 16-bit signed. 361 versus 33. Oh yeah, okay. OGG files are definitely... I'm definitely going to implement Vorbis. Definitely going to look at adding libvorbis. That might actually be what I do right now. Alright, libvorbis is a fully open, non-proprietary, patent-free, royalty-free, general-purpose compressed audio format for mid to high quality. Audio and music at fixed and variable bit rates from 16 to 128 kilobytes per channel. This was for all this. Yeah, it's competitive to MP3. Reference implementation provides a standard decoder. Vorbis C header only. Can we do this? Does this exist? It has to. Oh. Codec.h. There is no header only. It's gonna add to the size of this lid, isn't it? Gonna add to the size of everything. Header only. Dude, did I go through and make a header only version of this? No, there's no way. The binaries here. But for convenience. Man, I really hate this whole thing of oh, I hate how these libraries make you build it yourself. Holy shit. You would think developers could at least press build. How to make a static method. I could just use aug decode, I think. Windows aug. Damn, it's bigger than the actual library. Oh man, I wish they could just... the developers could just actually provide binaries. Binaries. Aug. Precompiled library binaries. I guess we're doing this. I did build these other ones from code, so we'll do the same. See, does it build release DLL? Oh, using wrong build tools. Success. There we go. Here's our, oh my god, it's 28 kilobytes. And the OGG code is 3.6 megabytes. Okay. Oh, that's not bad at all actually for including. Oh my god, that's amazing how small that library is. So then here's our .lib as well. So now we gotta, you know what? I think that's what we'll do. We will look at importing OGG files today. Wondering if I'll implement it into this audio example here. I think I will use this example, but I'll keep this using a WAV file. A WAV file just to keep it simple, and maybe not, we'll see. We'll look at how hard it is to do the OGG Vorbis. I'll do the OGG Vorbis import, and then I'll probably will end up doing is the same thing as this PNG and EMP helper headers that makes the process a lot simpler. Alright, so first things first, include the library. I don't know, does it have a lib folder? I actually think the libs are right here in the release DLL. libauth.lib. Include ogp/h, I think it is. You know what, I'll look at the reference example. This DLL where it belongs. Oh, what is the license? Oh my god, the license might not be compatible. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Wait, they have to have the license here. Where is it? It's probably under the README. BSD license implementation. libauth compatible with MIT license. Both the BSD is MIT license compatible with BSD. I swear they are. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought they are. They're very similar. We can include both. Okay, and here, let's find, I have an example somewhere here, documentation. Overview, decoding, oh boy, this is going to be some heavy stuff. So it doesn't look like they have a license. That's crazy, but okay. Sure. Ogp.h decoding is based around the OGP synchronization layer. Sync state structs coordinates between the incoming data and the decoder. Coding throb layers follows a specific logical sequence. Expose a buffer using OctaSync buffer. Read data into the buffer. Read. Call sync route. Call synchronization layer. Write out the data. Page. libauth simple example. I might not do this right now. I think the WAV file is good enough. I don't want to add any more dependencies to this, and this is something that actually seems like a whole other project I'm going to do later. I actually remove these dependencies because I don't think I'm going to do it in this project. Hold on, I also gotta let my cat out. Did I end up fixing up these? It looks like I did. Yeah, I did fix these up. It's just the webcam in these. I don't think I'm going to do that yet, because I think the best... yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do the webcam example. I mean, that would be like a whole GUI thing displaying it as well. I'm not sure I want to do that. I think that'll be the end of the stream for me. I've got some stuff I gotta do. Probably be back this evening though to do more. I think I'm gonna do that GUI and maybe some 3D mesh animation stuff tonight. Or not mesh animation, just